The head and shoulders pattern is a popular chart formation that traders use to spot potential trend reversals in the stock market. At its core, this pattern suggests that an upward trend is losing momentum and may be about to change direction. The setup involves 3 distinct peaks. The middle peak is the highest, while the 2 side peaks are roughly equal in height. These 4 elements help traders visualize the supply and demand balance as buyers begin to step back from the asset. While most people discuss the standard top pattern, there is also an inverse version that signals a potential change from down to up. This chart shows how buying interest typically fades as the pattern develops, leading to the eventual break of the neckline support. Always remember that chart patterns are just one tool. They never guarantee future results and should be combined with other research methods. Thanks for watching. Educational content, not financial advice. Please like and subscribe for more basics on market mechanics.